September 1st. It's probably gone by now, but there's a giant woodpecker here. Where'd he go? He was right there. Where is he? That's not him. That's a blackbird chasing a bug. Where? Oh, there he is. There he is right there. He's right there. Oh, he's on the other side of the tree. There he goes. Oh, he's on the bamboo. Ha ha. There's a bunch of... There he is. Ow. Tripping over rocks here. Let me see if I can get a shot of him. Definitely eating some bugs out of the bamboo. Look at me, nature photographer. Where's he going? Oh, he's coming back around here. Oh, now he's right there. Ah, blinded by the sun. Where'd he go? I can't see him at all now. I'm going to trip over something and fall walking backward. Oh, there he goes. Sorry for the extra fancy camera work. There he goes. Yeah, and you see how the camera on this phone doesn't adjust very well to the light. It doesn't switch well or transition well. It just snaps and it's either super bright or super... I don't know, there it's working pretty good, but when you go from here over into trying to follow a bird or something, it usually screws up. Point's getting taller. Everything's getting... Is that a new one right there? I don't know. You can't see all the... whoops, yeah. See? Gonna fall over yet. Pepper's doing good. I guess the woodpecker's not coming back. Look at the size of that one. See if we can get a focus on it. There you go. 3 more right there. No, that's it for the birds.